Today we are going to be doing a basic sleeve pattern. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking a total measurement of my long sleeve, which is going to be 26 inches. I am just going to be marking that here and also at the top. The next thing I will be doing is ruling out a straight line. From the top, I am going to be marking 6 inches down, and this measurement is going to be the sleeve cap. I will just be ruling a straight line across. We are going to call this the bicep line. Below, I will just be marking the wrist line. From the bicep line, I will be taking the measurement of what I have left, which is about 19.6 inches. And I will divide that by 2, and that will give us 9.8 inches. I will mark that, and I will be ruling a straight line across here. Now I am going to label the lines: shoulder head, bicep line, elbow line, and wrist line. My bicep round sleeve is 14 inches. This line is going to serve as the middle of my sleeve. So I am going to be taking 7 inches on each side, and I am going to be marking it. My elbow measurement is about 12 inches. I am going to be taking 6 inches on each side, and I will be marking that. My wrist measurement is 8 inches, so I am going to be taking 4 inches on each side. I will be joining the bicep line to the elbow line and the elbow line to the wrist line. Now I will be connecting the bicep to the shoulder head. I will label here as the front and here as the back. On the front part, I am going to be taking the total measurement, which is 9.1 inches, and dividing that by 2. That is about 4.5 inches, and I will be marking that. Then I will be dividing 4.5 inches into 2 as well, and that will give us 2.25 inches. I am going to be marking that on the lower part of the sleeve. and also marking 2.25 inches on the upper part of the sleeve. I am going to repeat the same thing on the back part of the sleeve. On the part I labeled as the front, from the first line, that is the 2.25 inches, I am going to mark 0.8 inches upwards. On the second line, I am going to mark 0.3 inches upwards. And on the third line, I am going to mark 0.5 inches downwards. On the part where I labeled as the back, on the first line, I am going to measure 0.6 inches upwards. On the second line, I am going to measure 0.3 inches upwards. And on the third line, I am going to measure 0.4 inches downwards. Now I'm going to connect all the lines together. I wanted to use my ruler before, but now I just think I'm going to use a free hand first. If at all, I'm going to go back with my ruler. I'm going to be repeating the same thing for the back part. So this is it. I am done with my basic sleeve pattern. I am just going to go ahead and add ½ inch sewing allowance round. And that is it. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Comment, share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.